Hey everyone, Nick Berlin with Berlin Builds. Today I want to talk to you about this rigid 18 gauge brad nailer. This thing's been pretty sweet. I've had it on my jobs for about 3 or 4 months. And I bought it because it was the only one that was at the store. So I got it for 80 bucks. I wanted to get a DeWalt because most of my stuff is DeWalt, but Home Depot was out of the DeWalt nailers that day when I needed it. So I grabbed this and I've been pretty happy with it. Let me tell you a few things that I like about it and a couple things that I don't. So taking a closer look at it, it's really ergonomic. I like the handle on it, and it's just got a good solid grip to it. Also, you have this hook right here, which is awesome. My Metabo 18 gauge nailer doesn't have one of these, and I love it. I can climb up on a ladder, I can hook it on my pocket or on my tool belt or on the ladder itself. It makes things so much nicer than trying to like clamp it with your legs and do all sorts of other random fun things. It also has this no mar soft tip right here, which in all actuality does mar things if you push really hard, but it really tries. So that's kind of a nice feature. I do like that you have this clear plastic right here, so you can see exactly how many nails that you have, which is really handy. Another thing that's really nice about it is how easy it is to load. You just have your little magazine release button right there, and then you just slide it forward like that, and you're ready to roll. You also can take 5/8 up to 2 1/8 inch nails. I don't know if they actually make 2 1/8 inch nails, but I know they make 2-inch nails, and that's what I've got loaded in here right now. So you have a wide variety of nails that you can put in here, which is really nice too. The gun also comes with 2 extra tips, and it stores right on the gun, so that way you don't have to worry about losing them. This gun also has 2 modes of fire, so you can do just your single shot fire, like so, where you pull the trigger once and you get one nail going out. Or if you push this button in on this side, you have this switch, which will make it so that you can turn this and you can rotate into what I call bump fire mode. So in this, you hold the trigger, and every time that you now depress that nose, it's gonna shoot a nail. That is a really handy feature when I'm just going through and nailing off like casing legs, making sure that there's no rattle. It's nice. It's nice being able to do that. This nail gun is an oil-free nail gun, which is a little different. Most of mine require oil. This one doesn't. And I've shot probably 5,000 nails through this so far, and I haven't had a single jam. Another nice feature that's on this gun is it has a depth of drive adjustment knob right here. It's just this little wheel that you can spin. So if your nails aren't driving in all the way, you can just spin this to go a little bit deeper. Or if they're going too far, you can always ease it back a little bit. This gun also has dry fire lockout technology in it. So what that means is when you get down to your last 5 nails, it actually won't shoot any more nails. And not only that, it won't make the sound as if it is shooting nails. It'll actually just stop. So for example, right now I've got 5 nails in there. If I go to try and shoot the gun, the tip won't depress all the way, and I can't even shoot a nail. So that keeps you from shooting blanks into a piece of material, walking away and having the piece of material fall off the wall. So that'll do it on your last 5 nails that you have. So then when you just reload it, like so, you're ready to get back into business. I can't remember ever having a jam on this, but if you do, it's really easy to open this up. So you just pull up on this, and then you can clear out any jams that you have right here. So it's really easy to use. So now putting that back together, you just push back down, you let this little metal bar grab into these 2 hooks that are right here, and then you just flip the clamp down, and then it's all set, ready to go. Something else that's kind of nice, I don't know why I like it so much, but this hose port right here isn't fixed. So the hose can actually rotate, which makes it so that it just seems a little bit more comfortable as you're going around. I don't know. It's this weird thing. I don't know why I like it, but I like it. So maybe you don't like that in your life, but it's kind of nice. One of the things I like the least about this gun is the case that it came in. It's this soft, canvas bag. Most of my nail guns come in hard plastic cases. So when they're in my trailer, they stay nice and safe. I'm not super confident that this is gonna keep the gun safe as it rattles around the trailer. I do keep my trailer mostly organized, but there's always moments, right? And I'm just not super confident that this is gonna do the job. So that was a little disappointing, but overall, this gun is really good value for 80 bucks. I have no real complaints about the gun itself. It's been really good. I like it better than other nail guns that I've ran. I've had a Metabo 18 gauge nailer as well as a Porter cable, and this so far has been my favorite. All right, everyone, make sure you hit that like button below if this video is helpful to you, as well as subscribe for more videos like this. I do tool reviews, and I also show you different finished carpentry techniques and other random do-it-yourself projects. Right now, we're about 900 subscribers, as I'm talking about this, and every time that we get another subscriber, it just helps the channel to grow and gets our content out to more people. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.